This is Deadman Nerfing showing you my modified Buzz V Mega Missile. I got it for about $6 at Kmart. I cut a PVC coupler in half and hot glued it on to the nozzle after I cut that. The plug is not pumped. The pump is not plugged. Sorry. And there used to be a blue thing right here that you just rip off so that you can open it. There's about 6 inches, or no, about 8 inches of PETG nested in PVC. And this is, the blue stuff is plumber's goop, or actually not even plumber's goop, it's just this like plumber's concrete. So yeah, and that's how, this is the only flaw of the gun, is that the pump handle's that long. So yeah, later.